If you want to stop ordering takeout and start cooking for yourself at home, it might be a little overwhelming. You might not know where to start. So here is 5 things to keep in mind if you want to transition from ordering takeout to cooking at home. Number 1 is start small. Don't try to go from eating nothing but fast food and takeout every day to suddenly making elaborate fancy gourmet meals at home.
Making a big lifestyle change is as simple as eating cold cereal for breakfast instead of Egg McMuffins from the drive-thru, or making coffee at home, or cooking dinner one day per week. Change one thing at a time. And over time, you'll be able to develop habits that will last a lifetime.
Number 2 is start with what you know.
If you know how to make toast, buy a loaf of sliced bread and a pack of butter spread and have toast for breakfast. If you know you like a certain kind of canned soup, get 7 cans of that and have that for lunch every day. If you like yogurt, buy a few containers of that.
Or if you're just completely new to the concept of cooking anything for yourself at home, go to the deli section of the supermarket.
There will usually be a counter with a person behind it who can help get you what you'll need to make simple sandwiches.
Or if you're like me and you don't like talking to strangers, the deli section also has plenty of things that you can get without talking to people. They have pre-made salads, they have pre-made rotisserie chicken and fried chicken, olives, crackers, charcuterie stuff, all kinds of stuff that you can just grab and eat.
Also, check out the bakery. They have all sorts of freshly baked breads that are ready to eat. I've been known to buy a loaf of French bread from the bakery, a block of cheese and some olives from the deli, and a bottle of juice, and just feed off of that for a day or two. Delicious, filling, and no cooking required.
Number 3 is start with what you already have. It might be tempting to be aspirational and go to IKEA and buy a whole new set of brand new shiny cookware, but you really don't need all of that, especially if you're just starting out.
All you really need is a pot or a pan, or a microwave, and a large microwave-safe bowl, and you can already cook a huge variety of simple foods. Look for recipes and foods that will work with what you already have. If you have a slow cooker or an Instapot, look up recipes for those appliances. If you have a casserole dish and an oven, look up recipes for easy casseroles.
The more comfortable you get in the kitchen, the more you can branch out later and get other cookware. And if you want more information about very basic cookware that you can get if you're a beginner cook, I have a video about that in the video description. Number 4 is go easy on yourself, the whole theme of this series. It's okay if you're still learning. I'm still learning because cooking is a lifelong skill that you are never ever going to be perfect at. And let's be real, it's really hard to build new habits. So set the bar low for yourself and give yourself time to make these little adjustments in your life. And number 5 is see if a friend or family member can help you in your journey. Learning a new skill or developing a new habit is always easier if you have an accountability buddy. And cooking can also be a really fun activity to do with other people if you have a kitchen that's big enough for it. So don't be shy. See if there's somebody in your life who can either teach you how to cook or who wants to learn to cook alongside you. That's all for now. If you're ready to get your feet wet, I already have some recipes in this Gentle Easy Cooking series. They're satisfying, easy to make, and they won't hurt your wallet either.
Thank you to my patrons, Chrissy, Britt, Honey Badgers, Megan M, Matthew, Jenny D, Robert C, Mercedes, Jocelyn, Manila, Gina, Megan B, and Data Fox. And if you want more easy, quick tips like this, check out my Easy Gentle Cooking playlist in the video description.